I feel stummy. Brake, boom, boom. Oh my god, that wasn't good. No. Welcome back to another video. But before I get started, let's get a code start on this. Another code start for the boys. All right, I screwed that up. I forgot to record, so I didn't get a code start. But I gotta move the car to an open spot. I've got no room next to the trees. Goddamn great Kong in the tree. But I'm gonna move it, and then once we do that, I'll show you what up, or I'll show you what's up. Should be good. I just need some space. Let me show you what's up. All right, so as I said at the beginning, I've got something to put on this car. Let me show it to you here. I've got a Verus throttle pedal spacer. So if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. And the STI, people do have a bit of a complaint that the throttle pedal, gas pedal, is a bit too far in and a bit too far to the right, close to the tonneau. So they've created a little spacer. It'll bring it out forward, closer to you, and you can adjust it up and down, left or right to your fitting. But I'm gonna put that in there so I can get some heel toeing. My shoes and my feet, I keep hitting the tonneau. It's kind of in the way. Just makes it a pain. You know, we got a heel toe because, you know, race car. You know, we out here racing the boys. Toge. I've got no toge, but I'm gonna get that in there, and then if I can, I'm gonna get out for a drive. They say to be careful with this. They give you a warning sticker. They tell you this full effect. You want to drive for 2 weeks. Muscle memory, they are not responsible. So if you put this on and you think you're Takumi on the toge, you think you're bunta, you know, you thinking you heel tolling, hitting that gutter run, you gonna crash your car. But 2 weeks, nah, we can do it one day. So let's cut to it. All right, first things first, I gotta unclip the cable up here. I'm gonna get the 2 10s that lock down the pedal to the wall, and then once we get that out, we'll throw on the spacer. All right, that's one out. There we are. That is a pain. All right, pedals off. Got the spacer. You throw on your 2 bolts on there. Hooks on the back. And we'll just put this right on back to where the stock one went. Here we are. Left or right. Doesn't seem to sit flat. Really weird. Great. Gotta find a smaller one. Hand tight. That's what they say. God damn it. All right. Oh, pain in my ass. That's in from left and right. I put it kind of in the middle. Before I throw the damn pedal on, I'm gonna take that little nub right there off. This thing is just comes right off. And then the rear, little stopper, and move to this one. Boom, that thing's in. I just put it all the way to the bottom, tighten as hard as I can. They don't say anything, but dang, if I messed it up, it's done messed up. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this thing on the two little nuts, or I mean bolts, and we're gonna set it from there. Oh shit. Yeah. Vroom. All right, heel toe man, my foot right here. Bop. Shoot, I'm gonna do that for now. Screw it. Ugh. 8 to 10 foot-pounds. That feels like it. Bam. Oh shit, that feels flimsy. That's a flimsy motherfucker. What the shit? Dude, that looks like it moves way too much. I'm not even pressing on it that much. What the shit? Okay. All right, boom. I've got it all set. Gas there. Look at the spacing. Bam, away from the wall. Like China. Oh, I can't say that's YouTube. Boom, hit the brake pedal. Oh, he can't see. Oh shit. Bam! Bam! You told him like I'm Takumi, man. I'm gonna move the seat forward. Boom, seats forward. My foot. Oh shit, the brake pedal's actually hard. I don't know why it got so hard now. Okay, boom, brake, bam! Brake, boom, boom! Not too bad. It's kind of close though. Huh. Well, that feels kind of good. Damn, that's all done. About a heel toe like I'm Takumi in an 8.6. But that's installed. I got another piece. Straight JDM. Overnight parts from Japan. That says Slayer, if you know what I mean. But, goddamn cardboard. I got me some Subaru rain guards. OEM, JDM. You know how it is when you Japanese. You Japanese, my boy. But I'm gonna get these on too. All right, we're gonna start off backside, driver, passenger, whatever the hell you want to call it. Man, that's gonna look pretty clean. But it's good. All right, so I'm gonna get this part clean. You gotta clean it with alcohol. I'm gonna peel off a little bit off the side if it come off. There we go. You do that. Do the same thing. Come on. Boom. Look at that. first one, man. Looking pretty good. I'll push this back in. Oh shit. Hold on. I got number one done. How easy was that? Compared to the damn pedal? Screw that thing. This. Look at that. Alright, first one's done. That was kind of easy compared to the pedal spacer. That was a pain in the ass. But I've got one out of the 4. Now I gotta do the driver's side. Alright, we're gonna follow the same steps. Gonna peel off the rubber. Now I'm gonna stick it under with the hooks, since the OEMs come with hooks kind of things. And then we'll get that on. Also, I gotta clean it. Peel a little bit off so it sticks out, but stick it up, mock it up. All right, well, look at that. I got the front sight on, flows with the back side like nothing. Well, kind of, that's a little off, but no, it's not perfect. They were kind of crooked for some reason, you know. OEM Subaru, you think it'd be good, but it's pretty good. Look at that. Oh, that looks pretty clean, man. So I'm gonna do the other side. Not gonna film it. Too tedious. You already seen the first 2 sides, but damn, Recaro. All right, everything's done. These are on. Hopefully they stick and don't come off. Woo! There goes that guy. Turbo RSX. There he goes. This side's pretty good right now. Same. All good. We're gonna go for a drive, test the pedal. Hopefully it doesn't come loose or anything, but looking pretty good. We about to heel toe like we Takumi on the toll gate. Instead of delivering tofu, we delivering McDonald's, baby. All right, we'll be there. All right, we're gonna go out for the drive, but let me do a cold start for you guys. Okay, so here we are going for the drive. Pedal moved over, if you remember watching me install. You know, we about to heel toe up here. Roll the room.
You can barely see on camera, but
You can barely see. Let's practice. You know, like when you drive the G30, Logitech G39. Go brake. I was kind of it. I'm gonna do it again.
heck was that?
I don't know, bro.
I don't know, super. It just sounded different. Ugly rims though. It sounds like under car.
While you're Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
So how do I record a car wash?
I don't know, just record it. Oh, shut up. Shut up. I'm driving forward. Did I just waste $13 today, or should I just wash it at home?
Oh yeah, the dryers.
I'm using all.
I didn't even see that timer.
Alright, well, we're back. Everything is still there. I mean, still on pretty good. Nothing leaked after removing the door, rubber, gasket, I don't know what you would call it. Other strip. I don't know. Car sounds a little funny. Clutch makes a lot of clunking noise. I don't know if that's because I broke it. I didn't break it, but I don't think it would have break. That wasn't that bad. Nothing bad, but it got a bit of tape flopping around. I think the car's okay. I think the clutch is also okay. But that car wash, don't do a car wash. All right, well, that'll probably it for today's video. It's been a while since we dropped one, but looks pretty good. I like the way that looks. I didn't like those at first, but I think it adds to it. Brings out the top side closer to you. It doesn't look a little sunken in coming from the front. But that's it. Heel toe wise, I ain't no Takumi yet, but we're gonna get there. This car's not gonna feel the last of it. Look at them pedals. Do I like the pedal placement? For now, it's okay. It's the shoes. So don't wear them big boy shoes. Then Adidas NMDs. Put something on. Oh, man. I don't know, man. All right, it's the next day. So the spacer I installed, I did take it off, unfortunately. So when I'm sitting in the car, my foot with that spacer, this is stock. This is stock right now. My foot will kind of be like this, and holding that position, it's kind of a pain. A little annoying. It was nice. You could heel toe a lot easier than with stock, but I'm gonna leave it on stock. You know. But yeah. So should you do that mod? Depends. Would I recommend it? Probably not. So that's gonna be it for the video. Like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.